as all the others. There's only one way back from Hattersley, but every day is a different day. We're in 19498, just edging our way out of this junction. Dickhead. people coming on there as well, because they just come round and they go, it's not a giveaway, and they just move, and it's a giveaway. It's a junction. Because it's not set out in the normal manner, they just pull out. Especially if you're driving your car down there, you've got to watch that one. It's just because they come off the motorway far too quick rate of knots. It would appear that tonight everyone is in the I'm in a rush mode. showcase. It might be expensive, but you're guaranteed a cinema on your own. How it is still open is beyond me. It's always quiet. Always. Look, Uber. He is Muppet 9112. Please like and subscribe and all that. Patreon and now PayPal as well. Links are all down in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.